Okay, so let me show you a couple of winning trades both on the Forex market and also in the futures market to kind of help you understand what I'm going to explain to you. The number one thing is not arguing with the markets. All right, so first let me show you some wins. So the setup came, you got your entry, stop loss, take profit. It got smashed, okay? Then you can see where this one broke out here, and it was in a angle in the downtrend, but of course it broke out of the red zone. Your stop loss was here, entry here, take profit got smashed twice. Looking at this dashboard right here, it was telling you the whole time buy, buy, buy. Now let's go over to the charts over here and let's take a look at this. That was the NQ, which is basically the NASDAQ. Right here, this is where the problem comes in. You say, well, I think it should reverse right here, which it did a small reversal and then kept up. Then you say, oh no, it should sell right here. Did a small reversal, but then popped back up. Right here, it's hitting up against this line. So now a lot of people are in long sales thinking it's going to come all the way down, but the truth is it could pop right back up. Who was to think that this would happen? Look at this from the 4-hour time frame. This thing was Johnny Rocket. You see that? Johnny Rocket. Now, let me go to a couple of trades that we sent out this morning to our copycat group, and they smashed. Oh, they hit big for my copycat family. So let's take a look at this one first. This is going to be EU, and you can see from EU right here, you see the channel, red up here, green down here. You can see where price is bouncing off of these and heading up. Go to the 4-hour time frame, which is what I like to trade the most, to get a better perspective. And overall, what was it telling you the whole time? It was saying that this is in an uptrend, but it was a simple pullback on the 4-hour time frame. So once it pulled back far enough, boom, we got a shoot up. Now, why is this important? Because you're going to get in drawdown sometimes on the Forex market. You just got to hang on for a ride. So this one was in drawdown for a minute, tested, retested, and then shot up and hit big. This one also was sent out to our copycat family. And you can clearly see, here's the upper channel, lower channel. You see those trend lines? And these are automated, by the way, through the sexy analyst. I don't draw these in. They automatically appear. So and I have on both channels, you have an option to have the larger channel, which shows you the bigger picture, or the inner channel, which shows you the inner picture as well. When they both collided right here, you can see the outer channel was saying this is what on the 4-hour, up, 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 up. This was a pullback, a long one, but a pullback. But then you can see there was stability in price right here, stability in price right here on the same level. And which direction was it going? In the same direction. So therefore, right here, this is where I took my buy trade for our copycat family. And the results of this trade was astronomical, to be honest with you. It was crazy. It was cool what we did. I think I got 90 pips out of this thing, something like that. 88 pips out of this trade. Took the buy trade right there, shot up, and we had a winner. So what's the whole point of all this? Not arguing with the markets. If the markets say they want to go in a certain direction, then, well, dang it, well, let's go. Let's go. A lot of you guys, I know, and me included, I'm a reversal trader by nature, but I have to learn to turn that off, because if the markets are saying they want to go in a certain direction, then you have to obey what the markets are telling you. Stop demanding something that the market don't want to offer, because now you're fighting against the trend. And you know the old saying, the trend is your friend. You just got to know when to hop in. That's it. The trend is your friend. You just got to know when to hop in. So who would have thought that this would have happened on the NASDAQ, which is in the futures market, they call it NQ. Let me go here and you'll see this correlation. Let's pull this up for you. All right, there we go. There goes price action. So NQ is the futures form of the NASDAQ. So basically, look at this breakout right here. And this is from the 4-hour time frame. Okay, breakout, boom. So even on the 4-hour, this would have worked. Entry, take profit got smashed. Okay. So bottom line is, now, why didn't this one work? Why? Because this is telling you what? Buy, buy, buy. This one was showing a strong pullback right here, but I would have ignored it. Why? Because it's not in flow. So I would have ignored it. Okay, it's not in flow. Who would have thought? I have no idea what's going on. Maybe the straight arm moose was opened or something, but either way it goes, nope, 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 nope. Now here's another setup that happened, and this one happened last night. You have your breakout. This will automatically populate your entry, your stop loss, and take profit got smashed. You see that? So these are very simple setups if you go with the flow. Here's another one in the same direction as what? The trend. So when it broke out of this area right here, you had your first entry right there, take profit got smashed. Why? Because it's going in the same direction as the overall trend. So if you want a higher win rate, you have to stop arguing with the markets. That's just the bottom line. Look at this breakout right here. Okay, here was a downward channel. You got your breakout, and then it shot up and hit. Okay, so that's the point. Just go with the flow. Stop trying to demand what you want. Well, it shouldn't be this high up. I think it's going to reverse, and so forth and so forth. Like right here. Yeah, it may reverse a little bit and then keep going. Who's to say? I don't know. I don't know. But we have to stop arguing with the market if we're going to be successful in this business. All right, I'll see you in the next video.